What is up guys, it's the Gadget Inspector SA. So today I'll be reviewing the Galaxy A34 5G. Before anything, I must say that Samsung really impressed me with this device. Well done Sammy. I really enjoyed having this device around because compared to previous year's mid-range phones from Samsung, they really suck and were just a waste of money. Today I only have good things to say about this device, so let's get into it.
So, the cameras. I'm really shocked to see how performing these cameras are. The 48 megapixel found here is a really good one. Samsung knew how to tune this very well. It has a lot of detail, clarity, and sharpness. So, I'll be dropping sample shots to show. Well, what I found is that they have improved the video capabilities of these phones, because I even once forgot that I was using an upper mid-range phone, not a flagship. So, let me know what you think of these pictures in the comments down below. And please note, all of these are unedited. A 6nm SoC, the MediaTek Dimensity 1080. I was really not a big fan of past MediaTek chipsets. They were really slow, but I can say that this is a really good performing SoC. Launching apps and games on this device is no brainer. Samsung really impressed me here. Paired with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 128 or 256 GB of storage. Well, I can say that this phone is really fast and snappy. Haven't had any glitches or stutters yet, and I hope it stays like that. I can describe the front camera of this phone with a few words. With plenty of light, this is great. Housing a 13 megapixel front lens, recording 4K 30 frames per second, can't complain. This is really good. Can I just say, this is one of the best looking displays found in a device today. Super dynamic AMOLEDs from Samsung really check all the right boxes. 120Hz, check. Vivid colors, check. Detail, check. And overall display quality, a big check. Well, I know it's only 1080p, but it's a flagship-like quality of panel. It even supports up to 4K content. It's really a pleasure watching 4K content on this Super AMOLED display with 13 million colors. What a phone this is, from its cameras, security, to performance. This is an overall solid mid-range to get. At this price range, you're really not wasting your money. I have to say, Samsung, well done. I can now proudly recommend this to anyone who's looking for the Samsung experience without emptying their pockets. Well, hope you enjoy your day. Peace.